Big Bird is a bird. He lives with his friends on Sesame Street. He never really had any worries. He had a contract with PBS. He was the star of a TV show, teaching kids about letters and numbers. He really loved his job. Kids loved him 'cause he was yellow. One day Elmo came to him, told him very bad news, there wouldn't be no more show. The president had cut all the funding. He didn't know what funding meant. He just heard the word fun. He really didn't understand, but Elmo looked real sad. Now Big Bird's homeless. He lost his job because of Romney. All he has is play money. That won't get you very far. Big Bird had a nest, but he never really had a nest egg. Now he lives on the street, just not Sesame Street. All the kids are crying. Romney went too far. He stopped the money, cost Big Bird his job. Romney says Ryan believes tax cuts create jobs. We're all crying. Big Bird lost his job, crying. PBS needs your funds, needs your funds, needs your funds. Big Bird applied for food stamps. Elmo said, they cut that too. Romney doesn't care. Him and his friends are billionaires. Romney's house has an elevator. Not one for people, one for cars. Big Bird said, I should have voted. Snuffy says, watch the voting. All the kids are crying. Romney went too far. He stopped the money, cost Big Bird his job. Romney says Ryan believes tax cuts create jobs. We're all crying. Big Bird lost his job, crying. PBS needs your funds, needs your funds, needs your funds.